and that is the man accused of shooting and killing Charlie Kirk. He's due back in court on Friday. In fact, this hearing is going on right now, we understand, and we're taking you there live. You can see the suspect sitting there on the end of the table, and as I say that, the camera zooms into him. Tyler Robinson. Before we dip in and listen, I want to tell you what his attorneys are arguing, okay? They want to disqualify a couple of the state prosecutors. Why, you ask? Because one of the state prosecutors' children was apparently at the Charlie Kirk event on campus and texted his father, who's on the prosecution team, what was going down. That, according to defense attorneys, is grounds for dismissal. Let's listen.
Talks about you can't call opposing counsel as a witness in a case unless they're absolutely necessary. And the reason is because it can be a forum shopping effort. And we're concerned with that same kind of motivation or tactic that could be used in this case or other cases like it. Anytime you, as opposing counsel, you don't like the offer you're getting, the way the prosecution is being handled, you allege a conflict of interest, and all of a sudden the county attorney's office has to spend $10,000 to hire a special prosecutor just to handle that one issue, regardless of whether or not it's supported or whether or not a conflict exists. That's a concern we have. Your Honor, we're ready to go forward today. We think the evidence that will be presented today will illuminate the issues adequate that Your Honor can make a decision about whether or not a conflict exists, and we don't need to delay this proceeding any further. We're confident the court will see the facts as they are and be able to make that determination.
Mr. McBride, so the motion has been made by defense to continue this hearing to allow the filing of a motion addressing more fully this issue. And to that request, what is the state's reply?
We object to that motion to continue or to strike. We ask the court to go forward today. We think the motion is untimely. The court has, or the prosecution has subpoenaed witnesses, and every delay that happens, the witnesses that we have now family members of the prosecution being subpoenaed. These people are ready to move forward and get this out of the way. The longer we delay this, the more anxiety that this procedure has.
All right. Thank you, Mr. McBride. To defense, any response?
Yes, John. Thank you. First, I want to say this is not about seeking a lenient prosecutor. This is not about tactics at all. And it was actually the county attorney's office who informed us back in October that there was a family member of a prosecutor who was present at Utah Valley University at the Charlie Kirk rally and experienced and witnessed certain things. We didn't make this up out of whole cloth. We didn't grab onto some piece of discovery and say, a wedge, a tactic.
Let me
The Utah County Attorney's Office informed us in late October that we needed to know about this, and we informed them, fine, that's your position, it's not a conflict of interest.
All right, you're listening to courtroom testimony in the Tyler Robinson case, the man accused of shooting and killing Charlie Kirk. His attorneys are asking the judge to disqualify prosecutors in this case over an alleged conflict of interest. One of the prosecutor's children allegedly at the Charlie Kirk rally, and so the defense is saying that that's just not fair, and so they're arguing with the judge now to get that prosecutor disqualified. Obviously, if that happens, the state would replace that individual, but just sort of a procedural hearing here in the case of Tyler Robinson. We'll continue to monitor that hearing, and if anything develops or if the judge makes a decision, of course, we will bring that to you.